Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to download a GPX file from Strava. Now, the first thing that you want to do is open up your web browser and go to strava.com, and then make sure you sign in into your Strava account. And once logged in at the dashboard, just click on the drop-down. And let's go ahead and go to Activity Feed. And now you will land in this page. Now select the activity that you want to download as a GPX file. So let's say I want to download this particular activity, so I'll just go ahead and click on it. And now once that you have done that, at the left-hand side, you will see 3 dots. Just go ahead and click on the 3 dots. And here you will see an option for Export GPX. Just click on Export GPX. And as you can see now, your download has been successfully done. So just go ahead and click on Show in Folder to open the file location. And now here you can see our GPX file has been successfully downloaded. So if you want to confirm if this is a GPX file or not, you can simply look at the type and you can see it is GPX, or you can also press Alt and Enter key on the keyboard. And now here you can see the type of file is GPX. And that's it. We just learned how to download a GPX file from Strava using the export option on Strava website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial video.